Welcome back. What do we have here? We have a Yamaha TZM. The symptoms that I'm getting on this is when I warm it up, it takes forever before it will even get responsive on the throttle. So what that's pointing to is carburetor. Take a look and hopefully we don't have anything major, and just part of cleaning up. Oh, and also let's not forget, make sure that we got constant fuel flowing out.
I'm gonna turn this on and fuel should be flowing out. All right, we good. We are good.
All right, we don't have any fuel problem. Fuel looks fairly clean. And then while you're at it, make sure you blow out the choke. So I got spurts of fuel coming out of that, which is a good sign. There we go. We're going to clean that as well. Lift up the float. Float doesn't feel like there's any fuel in there. And I'll clean the needle as well. This one is a metal. Needle looks like it's worn, but it's not leaking yet. Gasket looks to be original. Let's remove the pilot. Now everything's looking fairly, yes. I knew I forgot that this guy is, I do remember now. This one has a stripped nozzle, stripped pilot. I really want to remove it. I am going to go and make a drill, a right-hand drill, and I'll try to make a left-hand drill, trying to catch that and try to get it out. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. In here, can you look closely? I'll try to zoom in if I can catch it. I'm doing this all. Yeah. It's already go. All right. Going to be required to go to the boy shop to re-drill and tap the pilot jet, and this was a problem since I bought the bike. I tried to rebuild it before and it wasn't happening. Now I could just I need to re-gas it a little bit. Have to give a little gas. So it's starting up. Enough for the neighbor today. I've been revving it, trying to chase the carburetor, trying to find out what's happening. So I had to rev it a little bit today. But that's how she's looking right now. Tomorrow we'll dial in the carburetor. I'll just buy the carburetor kit that's made for it, so we don't have to fumble with it too much. Carburetor rebuild kit, and in the kit it's pretty complete. However, just looking at the quality of these, man, I'm just going to be using only the pilot jet, which is right there. And the body of the carburetor is at the machine shop. It's getting machined. Hey, here it is. Will just picked this up, and let me tell you, man, I screwed up. I fucked up big time. I drilled this whole pilot screw here out, and the machine shop have to retap and added a new brass insert. You can see that, man. It's got the new needle in there, so I'm gonna give this to him, man. I'm gonna give him a job to do. No, cause I hurt my back, so I'm gonna leave it to the boys. I can't bend over. My back hurt, and the TZM is coming apart. Right now we have water pump leakage. I'm having a feeling that we have a side seal leak, the right hand seal. So we're gonna let him go through it, and then I will keep you updated. Even the kickstart spring broke. Clutch is loose, you know. Just because the bike run doesn't mean it's in good condition. And I couldn't get the bike to stabilize, so I'm thinking, you know what, most likely 2-stroke vacuum leak. And we're ready to fire this thing up. We got her done, man. Let it idle for a few minutes until the bike can idle under 2,000 right now. I will keep it at around 2,000 until it warms up. And you can see that it's actually at the tailpipe, it's not smoking anymore. Before it was smoking like a chimney, now it's smoking more like a 2-stroke. We'll see if it holds idle, and if it does, we should be good. There we go, it's dropping. I just can't, for some reason, can't figure this out. This is what I can't figure out. I changed the right and the left hand seal already. Now I'm starting to point to ignition now. Or it just might be a tad rich. I'm gonna mess with this and see what if I can get it to stabilize. I got the carburetor out, and I'm trying to chase this. Now we got, like I mentioned, we got the left seal recently fixed. Last time we did the right crank seal. Now this time I'm dealing with this low idle. Now check this out. I think I found my problem. Look at the slide. Alright, you see that big pit? That could just be my problem right there. I just can't seem to fine tune it. It's maybe as it's wiggling in there, it falls into that side. So I'm gonna sand that down a bit so I could get like a really fine tune. I think that's my problem. see you. All right, that was Wat and Pinung came by, man. That was nice. Okay, so what I was saying is it's doing pretty good. It's holding idle. Let me get it started up again. She's back into her former glory. This is the most stock bike I got. Oh man, what a carb journey, man. Finally got her idling after she got warmed up. She's holding 1500 idle. I think stock is 12, 13, but I said 15. I think is good, man, for a city bike. Unless it gets real high after a nice ride, but she's is not smoking anymore. And sounding good. Again, I want to give a special thanks to my boy Will, man. And God, those two really helped me, guide me. Without them, I wouldn't be able to, I probably wouldn't be done right now. Alright, so don't forget to hit him up, man. Will, Turan Sini Wong 3, man. Check him out.